Hi guys. So I was going to make part 2 just the painting of the little bibs and bobs that I've put on the cover. But I just wanted to show you it quickly while it was dry. So the cover is glossy because I've painted it with acrylic paint because I was out of black gesso at the time. So I do have some black gesso now that I'll use. But that's how it looks now that it's dry. And I think last time you saw it, there was all glue on the netting. So that's all dried. You can't see it too much. I did wipe most of it off. You can see teeny little bits here and there. But I thought I'd just do a really quick video to show you what it looks like before I paint it with some black gesso. Now I did post this onto Facebook in the Junk Journals Down Under group and the Trashy and Flowish Junk Journal group, and I put it out there. What do you reckon, guys? Paint the netting or not to paint the netting? And it was a mixed kind of a half-half mix, I think. Half said, yeah, paint the netting, and half said, no, leave the netting. And a few actually said, leave it exactly like that. So it does kind of look pretty as it is. But, yeah, I will paint it. But what I'm thinking is I'm going to paint the netting. Yeah, so what I was thinking, I'll paint all of it black. Well, I'll gesso all of it black. And then I might lightly go over the netting with some metallic gold, Venetian gold. And the little bibs and bobs, just a light coating. So you'll still see black and then little gold bits. And then the little bibs and bobs, I'm thinking I'll do a combination of berry, purple pearl, and teal. I'm out of pink. I would have liked a brighter pink because I feel this berry is too dark. But I might just go ahead and do these colours. To be honest, a lot of the time I don't decide on the colour until I start painting it. So, you know, I'm thinking these 3 colours with some gold. But I kind of see once it starts, it kind of goes in its own direction, I think, sometimes. So I'm going to gesso this gesso it all black, and the next video you'll see will be the painting of the little bibs and bobs, and that's it. And then the last video I'll do a flip through of the actual whole journal, so that I don't know that anyone wants to see me putting together signatures. That's a bit torturous, especially when I do it, because yeah, I tend to I don't really have a process. I kind of just make it up as I go, so I don't have a set process on anything really. So for this one, I'll gesso it all black now, let it dry, and I'll come back to you, and then I'll paint these on camera, which kind of scares me because my painting is a bit all over the place, but I'll give it a go. And then final video, we'll just do a flip through. I'll also gesso just around the edging of the covers here. Once this side is dry, I'll gesso around the edges so that when I put whatever I decide on the inside cover, just so you won't see the blue edging. That's it. Thank you. Bye.